One of the most important topics in working with purebred cats, and in protecting the breeder, is a clear understanding of genetic testing and inherited conditions. In this section, we'll look at how DNA panels work, what their limitations are, and what a responsible breeder should pay close attention to. How genetic panels work. A genetic test is usually performed using a sample, most often a cheek swab, saliva or epithelial cells. The sample is sent to the lab, where it is analyzed for known mutations associated with hereditary diseases. Every cat breed has a specific set of genetic conditions that are more common within that breed. For Maine Coons, there are 3 primary inherited risks that are most relevant. 1. HCM, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, a hereditary heart condition. 2. SMA, spinal muscular atrophy. 3. PKDEF, pyruvate kinase deficiency, a hereditary form of anemia. Where these tests are done. In the US, the 2 major companies that provide genetic panels for cats are Wisdom Panel. Optimal Selection by Wisdom Health. These panels include around 49 to 50 tests depending on the version. The owner collects a cheek swab, mails it in, and receives a detailed report within a couple of weeks. The report shows the result for each mutation. Clear, the gene is not present. Carrier, the cat carries 1 copy of the gene but will never develop the disease. At risk, disease is possible only if both parents carry the same mutation. What carrier really means. Many people get scared when they see the word carrier. But a carrier is not a sick animal. A carrier simply has 1 copy of a gene inherited from one parent. Such a cat will not get the disease. Will live a completely normal life. Can safely be bred as long as the other parent is clear. Example, if dad is carrier for HCM, and mom is clear, then all kittens are safe. The disease cannot develop. Problems only arise if both parents are carriers of the same mutation, and even then, not all kittens will inherit it. This is exactly why responsible breeders test their breeding cats and avoid pairing 2 carriers of the same gene. Why vets sometimes create panic. A vet may listen to a nervous cat's heart and hear a murmur, then recommend an expensive ultrasound. It's important to know, if at least 1 parent of your kitten is clear for HCM, your kitten is genetically protected, and HCM cannot develop from that mutation. A stressed cat's heart can beat fast and create false murmurs. This is normal. And remember, even if both parents were carriers, no ultrasound can change genetics. The vet is not treating anything in that case, only observing. The disease will either manifest genetically or not. It is not created or cured by a vet visit. Repeated stressful scans only harm the cat and your wallet. The only real winner is the murmur listener. So what should owners do? Do not panic. Do not rush into expensive procedures. Check the parents' DNA tests first. If at least 1 parent is clear, your kitten is safe, enjoy your life together and save your nerves. If both parents carry the mutation, the best thing you can give your cat is love, calm, a stress-free environment. Constant vet-induced anxiety only makes things worse. Important note. A full list of all currently known genetic diseases in cats will be posted in the first comment. You will notice, there are no tests for hip dysplasia or entropion. These conditions develop due to trauma or mechanical issues, not genetics. However, because misinformation about these topics spreads online and breeders receive unfair accusations, we will cover these issues in one of the next parts of this series.
Thank you for spending this time with us. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. If you didn't, well, a dislike is welcome too.
And if you would like to stay with us and learn more, please subscribe and tap the bell icon. Wishing you all the very best.